Hey, dog. Somebody told me I could hear. Shut up. Somebody told me I could hear Blaze on this shit.
It's like 4:30 in the morning. Pretty fucking boring. Everyone around me is snoring. I'm on the websites looking up pornographics. Plastic freakazoids with airbrush graphics. Hit the Juggalo sites. Ninjas love the new Twisted. Click here in case you missed it. Hatchet Radio. And they don't play no shady hoes. It ain't about tours, TVs, or videos. It's about tunes. Hotter than the sand dunes. Radio is straight poop with commercial perfumes. Look to the underground. They the dumbest around. They all listening to Pink while we putting it down. Juggalos knows what's up. Stab your guts up. I'm cutting Ryan Seacrest until he shuts up. My name is Violent J of ICP. And if you ain't bumping Hatchet Radio, you don't know me.
Something. Play me something. Wicked underground. Oh. Something. Play me something. Wicked underground. Hatchet Radio. What's up on some killer?
Hatchet motherfucking freestyles. We smoke weed piles and piss all over radio dials. You hear that E-shine? Shit, you might hear the calm. We bout to blow this bitch, sound the alarm. My name is Big Beamin'. By myself, I'm tag teaming. You wanna spend a day in my head, you dreaming. I wanna hear a little jump steady if them punks ready. Because he shreds your brain like spaghetti sauce. Big boss, Lavelle got a couple tunes. Internet ninjas bumping in their bedrooms. We the clown play, kick you with my wooden leg. Your fucking pumpkin will explode like an egg. I don't wanna hear no Brian McKnight and all that Dave Matthews Band. I'm tight, fuck that. Play me something that makes me wanna murder my neighbor. Hit me with that hatchet flavor, come on.